So these are taken at two axes out of this. So we are getting the cooling curves for the metals in this case. It is plotted between the time and temperature for this case. If we get to mark over this part, let's mark it over here. So this is the on this axis, this is time, and on above this axis, this is temperature being taken into that part. So if we see, these are temperature markings out of it. So this is metal A and metal B. This is percentage on this side and this side. So it is eutectic temperature, that is eutectic point we were talking about. So this is the temperature at which there is change in phase in this chart. So this line is basically at the changing phase. This line is basically this line we talk of. Is a changing phase. So this point is known. This if we talk of this temperature is known as eutectic temperature, and after which the point is being changing out of it, this is known as your eutectic point out of this one. So we are getting eutectic point and eutectic temperature on this line of this part. So we are getting 80-20 out of this. We are getting A1, A2, A3, A4, and like for this case, it is changing from this part B1, B2, B3, and this line after this it gets to change in state in this part. After E, it gets to again start to recede to the temperature and increase in temperature in this part. So this point we got of this E part here. So this is E point is eutectic point. If we talk of this point in the center. So this point is basically your eutectic point. This is being denoted as E point is eutectic point out of this case. So let's move it up to other. Now next case is two metals completely soluble in liquid state. Clear? So it is the two metals are completely soluble in liquid state but completely insoluble in solid. Like they are soluble in liquid state, they are well in liquid state, but when they become solid, they become a different entities. So technically, no two metals are completely soluble in each other. If we talk of, we can say practically, if we discuss, no metals can be soluble. Clear? Clear? So, however, in some cases, the solubility is so restricted that for practical purposes, they may be considered insoluble. So, but in the cases of solubility, there we have a restriction in that part that for practical purposes, we consider that they may be considered insoluble, although it cannot be considered technically, but we consider make an assumption out of this so as to get to make them considered insoluble in this point. So this is bismuth cadmium equilibrium diagram. So if we see out of this, so here is the line for the composition, and so this is plotted in between composition and temperature. So this is composition and this is temperature for this part. Clear? So it is the liquid line and it is upon this the composition of all this. Clear? So this is the increasing composition and decreasing composition. So if we talk of eutectic point like C liquid phase, in this case L, that is known as liquid state. Clear? So if we see on this case, E is the eutectic point out of this. So this point E is a eutectic point. Where E1 is a eutectic temperature out of this, and G is eutectic composition, that is 40. This is G point, that is this is the E1, that is eutectic temperature out of it. So this is the temperature out of this. So so this is the temperature line that is talking of. So this is the line, we will mark it ET, that is eutectic temperature out of it. is Pt and this is point here Pt. Then G is the eutectic composition. Out of this, it is being plotted in between from the, we can say, a vertical line from P part, that is this line. We see from this part, this vertical line from P part is being corresponding to this. This is the composition, like what is the composition out of this? 40 and 60. So this composition in case is being marked over 40% cadmium and 60 of bismuth. So this is the composition that we are talking about. It is being marked over here. So this point is your composition here. Then EUT is your eutectic. So this is bismuth plus EUT. This is the point out of this. We are getting the EUT. For cadmium, it is getting the eutectic, that is at 80-20 and 20-80. So this is bismuth plus EUT. For this part, we are getting this part and this part. So, and this is being referred as your eutectic for this case, and this is all over is your bismuth cadmium equilibrium diagram for the composition of bismuth cadmium equilibrium diagram for this phase in this case. So this was the case when the two metals are completely insoluble in the solid state, but they are completely soluble in the liquid state. So this is for the case if these are completely soluble in liquid state, but completely insoluble in solid state. So for this, the overall equilibrium diagram would look something like this and this. There. So if we talk about to this,